Alright, so we're out here at 4R Winery and Ranch. They got some dispersed camping we figured we'd check out. It's pretty cool. The FJ is right over there. Don't know if I should have parked over here and set up the awning or something. It's pretty sunny. It's in my face. There's a fire pit. We were gonna have a fire, but it's Texas and it's too damn hot to have a fire today. But oh crap. Really nice weather. It's like what, 60 degrees?
Yeah, 60.
60 and sunny. So that's pretty cool.
It's just gonna get colder.
Got some ciders. We just checked out their tasting room at the winery up there. It was pretty nice.
Phone is very hot.
The heat. But yeah, cool spot. You guys should check it out.
What's it called?
4R Winery Ranch Campground Place.
4R is the company. Yeah. You wanna give
4R
them a
is the
shout?
winery, huh?
4R Winery. 4R Ranch. 4R Ranch, and it's a winery and tasting room.
Oh, cool.
There were like 100
getting the hang of
vineyards. Oh, I know, it takes some getting used to. But I learned with the joystick, if you want it to go left, put the joystick left. If you want it to go right, put the joystick right. Okay, you stupid thing.
Is it doing that?
It's very confusing. Oh, it's because I lost this.
Finally up here in the tent, away from the bees.
Pay no attention to the bees behind the curtain.
I need a cup holder in here.
You do. You just sit right here.
Oh.
That's what I did. Every time we had like something, I just sit there. Joy to the world alone.
No.